Hello everyone, I'm Natalie and Veritas Health is bringing you 4 easy stretches for Piriformis Syndrome pain relief. The first stretch I'm going to show you will be performed on your back. You will take the leg you want to stretch, pull your knee towards your opposite hip, and then use your other hand to grab your ankle. You will pull this across your body, looking for a gentle stretch through the hip and buttock region. You can hold this stretch for up to 30 seconds, working up to 3 repetitions on each side. The next variation I will show you will be lying on your back. You will take the leg you want to stretch and put your foot across your body. Then use your opposite hand to pull your knee towards the floor. Don't force your knee all the way to the ground, but look for a gentle stretch through the hip and buttock region. You can hold this for 30 seconds, working up to 3 times on each side. Another way you can stretch your piriformis is by taking the leg you want to stretch and putting your ankle across your opposite knee. You will then grab under your thigh and pull both knees towards your chest. You are once again looking for a gentle stretch through the piriformis area near the hip and the buttock. You can hold this stretch for up to 30 seconds, working up to 3 times on each side. If any of these exercises increase your pain, please stop and talk to your medical provider. A final way you can stretch your piriformis is by getting on your hands and knees. You'll take the leg you want to stretch and place it underneath you so it's under your shoulders. You will then sit your hips back to the ground. You don't have to sit all the way down, but go as far as you can until you feel a gentle stretch through the hip and glute region. Hold this pose for 30 seconds, working up to 3 times on each side. Piriformis pain syndrome can cause a lot of pain and have a negative impact on your quality of life. We want to empower you to feel better and take care of your health. To learn more about Piriformis syndrome, please visit Spine Health and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.